Woohoo! Check out this weather. Can you hear that? Oh my god, I love it. I love it. It's raining so hard. Yay! Thank God the rain gods have heard us. Time to go dance in the rain. Hope my laptop doesn't get wet. Oh, and there's lightning. Time to go dance in the rain. Alright, okay, it's time to turn off without doing my laptop. Oh, I'm soaked. And I love it. You love it? Fight up? Staring at me like I'm crazy. I'm a little bit. Ooh. Ooh. I sure so. But I gotta say, that was worth it. Oh yeah! Look how soaked this is. You can't even see. Time to dry off. Time to dry off. My laptop is getting wet. Oh, I love it. Ladies and gentlemen, I love the rain. Whoa, I look a little messed up. I love the rain. If you're willing to go out and dance in the rain, everyone thinks there's something wrong with me. I love this. How can you not love this? Oh, so pretty. And it helps Mother Nature because, quite frankly, how awesome is that? Rain brings renewal and fresh starts. So, you guys, are you someone who hides in the rain? Or are you someone who goes out and dances in the rain? Thank you guys for watching. Sorry, it got really dark. Did not turn any of the lights on yet. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Go out and dance in the rain. If you don't have rain, just go dance. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.